So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to go on specific dates on TradingView. So first of all, open your any web browser. As you can see, I have opened my Google Chrome. You can choose whichever you want and then search for tradingview.com. After that, coming on their website, you guys can see their first option, which is called products, and now choose its first option, which is called chart plus. So guys, after coming on the chart page, as you can see, we have now come, and you guys can see this option right here on the bottom option, which is called go to, and there is also a shortcut for this, which is as Alt plus G. So you guys can choose whichever method you want. I'll go with the clicking on it, and then as you can see guys, you can choose any specific date to go on. Let's say we want to go 6th of October 2022 and then click on go to, and as you can see guys, it has shown us that particular day's chart of the Netflix share, and that's how you guys do it. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos, and thanks for watching.